Hey guys, in this video we'll go through the most popular frameworks. If this video helps you out, make sure you like the video. Before we start, if you don't know what a framework is, watch my video on it. It will be in the description below. Okay, now let's start. First, there are popular frameworks on the front end, and you'll notice all of these are from JavaScript. Let's start off with the first one, Angular. Well, this is one of the older frameworks out of the three. However, saying that, but don't make that put you off, as it is still one of the most popular frameworks. It was developed by Google, and one of the most reason it is popular. It it has a very strong community. However, saying that, some people have drifted away from Angular as the content from updates are unreliable and the programmers are unliking them. Let's move on to Vue.js. Well, Vue was constructed by Avenue, and don't get the name confusing, as this man wasn't part of a large company when developing Vue.js. Why Vue is loved is that it's great for beginners, as the simple body is easy to understand. The binding is also easy to wrap your head around, with all the difficult part is the very advanced. Vue even comes with a great integrated animation system designed specifically by a man who loves animation and transitions, meaning you don't have to learn stuff like anime.js just to do animations. You still could do them though. Vue is also lightweight, but gives tons of functionality from the code you are given. This is one framework I'd suggest you learn, even if you are wanting to learn a different one. Lately, Vue is trending to be one of the most popular in the future. Now let's move on into React, arguably one of the most popular frameworks right now. React gives you so much functionality and an amazing virtual DOM. React even has a great documentation for beginners to learn easily. What's best about React is that it's not even a framework; it's a library which all these three frameworks with all these three frameworks we just went through. Comment below saying which one you like going to use or learn. Okay, now you've learned some front-end programs. We have to go through the back-end. Before we go through these, you have to understand you want your front-end to talk with your back-end database, and you do this using an API, which is basically a midman which sends information probably through JSON file. You can use XML too, through these two ends, and I'll be making a video on this in the future. First, we have Laravel, which I don't really know much on, but I know PHP is a powerful language. Although pretty old, it is still relevant. Now, for web development, Laravel has fast routing, meaning you can easily hook your websites up with URLs names. Then we have Django. One of the most known languages, Python, uses Django. Django is great as it gives you already made applications such as administration page for free, where you can manage your users or databases. And even with Django being meaty, you still can develop a full app pretty quick. And now node.js, with this framework you can do your whole entirely of your front end with JavaScript, and so as your backend. Although I recommend learning at least two languages, this to show you the flexibility with JavaScript that's the end And that's the end of the video. I do hope that you do find this video helpful, and if so, do subscribe and press the notification button.